Today I'm in the prestigious hamlet of Ham, showcasing this unique free double-bedroom barn conversion. Now this property benefits from unique character features throughout, gated driveway parking and a sizable rear garden. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this property, or indeed a valuation on your own home, then please do get in touch.